how much should you actually spend on a phone mount for your car? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, VANMASS Ultimate Mount. First up is the VANMASS Ultimate Car Phone Mount. Priced at $24.68, what caught my attention was its promise of being the strongest suction mount out there, boasting over 85 pounds of suction power. If you want a mount that really sticks and remains reliable, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this mount might be the right fit for you. With its military-grade certification and a suction cup that's 1.5 times stronger than others, it ensures that even when you're hitting those bumpy roads, your phone stays secure. The design features an extended arm that adjusts from 4.45 to 6.61 inches, making it easy to reach without taking your eyes off the road. But let's be real, some reviewers have mentioned the installation process can be a bit tricky if you're not on a flat surface. Here's the thing though, if you're careful about where you place it, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable mount that can handle heavy phones and rough rides. Skip this one if you need something that installs in seconds without any hassle. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the potential installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VANMASS Strongest Suction. Next, we have another impressive option from VANMASS, their upgraded Strongest Suction and Clip model. This one is priced slightly higher at $25.97, but its military-grade certification and flexible installation options make it stand out. If you want a mount that adapts easily to various setups, this is worth considering. This means even the heaviest phones won't budge during your drive. Plus, you can install it on either your dashboard or windshield, accommodating all types of vehicles. The hook clip is longer and sturdier, fitting 99% of vent types, which is a huge plus for anyone who frequently switches cars. However, some users have complained about the vent clip feeling a bit loose during bumpy rides. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. With proper placement and adjustment, it should hold firm. Just ensure it's secured well before you hit the road. This mount is perfect if you want versatility and strong hold. Skip it if you prefer something simpler and less adjustable. For under $30, it delivers solid performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize simplicity. Product number 3, MirrorCase Air Vent Holder. The third option is the MirrorCase Air Vent Holder. At just $12.99, it's one of the most budget-friendly options out there. What really caught my eye is its military-grade metal hook design that promises to never fall off. If you want something dependable without breaking the bank, this is worth your attention. This holder uses a simple locking mechanism that secures to your vent, making it incredibly easy to install. It's compatible with smartphones between 4 and 7.2 inches, including thicker cases. The one-hand operation feature is super handy, allowing you to easily insert and remove your phone while driving. It also rotates 360 degrees, giving you flexibility in how you view your device. On the downside, some users have reported that it doesn't fit well with round vents. But honestly, if you have vertical or horizontal vents, you'll find this mount works perfectly. It's a smart choice for those looking for a straightforward solution. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-fuss option. Skip it if you have round vents or need something more robust. You're getting a lot for a low price here. Now, if you need something a bit more heavy-duty, let's talk about our next pick. Product number 4, VANMASS Powerful Suction. Next up is another VANMASS model, the Powerful Suction Cup Mount, priced at $25.99. This one aims to offer you the best of both worlds, powerful suction and versatility. If you want a mount that works seamlessly across various surfaces, this is certainly a contender. It's designed to adapt to any vehicle type, be it a sedan, truck, or SUV. The adjustable feet accommodate phones from 4 to 7 inches, which is great if you switch devices often. Plus, the military-grade shockproof structure ensures that it can handle rough rides. However, some users noted that it can be a bit bulky on the dashboard. Here's why that shouldn't deter you. The stability it offers far outweighs the size issue, especially if you prioritize safety. This mount is perfect for you if you want a very stable option that works in any car. Skip it if dashboard space is limited in your vehicle. For the price, it's definitely a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for a more sleek and modern design, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Andobil Magnetic Mount. Finally, we have the Andobil Magnetic Car Mount Pro, priced at $27.95. What grabbed my attention is its seamless design for MagSafe users. If you've gone all in on the Apple ecosystem, this is definitely worth looking at. This mount features 23 powerful magnets that can easily hold up even the largest iPhones securely, which is crucial for those bumpy rides. The military-grade metal clip promises to grip your air vent firmly, ensuring it won't slip off. Plus, it allows for 360-degree rotation for optimal viewing angles, making it super convenient to use. The only downside, it requires a MagSafe-compatible phone or case for optimal performance. But honestly, if you already have a MagSafe setup, this should be a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you're an Apple user looking for a sleek and effective solution. Skip this one if you don't have MagSafe capabilities. For the price, it's a premium choice worth considering. So to quickly wrap it all up, we kicked things off with the VANMASS Ultimate Mount, which is a strong contender for durability. The upgraded strongest suction from VANMASS offers great versatility. Miracase provides a budget-friendly option that's easy to install. The powerful suction from VANMASS ensures stability on any surface. And finally, the Andobil Magnetic Mount is perfect for MagSafe users.